I'm Lourdes. I'm my mother's oldest daughter.
I am Carmen. My life, it's my family and doing things at home. Because I think there is nothing better than you have a good family.
I ring my mum every morning and every evening and make sure she's got up and she's okay. And then in the evening I ask her what her day's like.
When I wake up, I have my breakfast. I have a cat outside. I go and feed him. I have some lunch and start crochet, and sometimes I sleep.
When we come here, she's very lively. Sometimes she dozes off because she's tired, but she's lively and she's enjoying our company, which means so much to us. Seeing her and how she's living, we're very proud of her.
And I am very proud of you because I couldn't ask for better two daughters. It's really true from the bottom of my heart. I say thank you.
When she had her knee replacement, she had them both knees done within 12 months apart, and it was a social worker that asked me what help Mum and Dad were getting at home, and I told her that I would be living with them till Mum recovered. But then when I was gone, what was going to happen? And that's where I started taking the steps, and the social worker led me onto the council. The council led me onto my aged care. And because we'd spoken to the gentleman who'd visited the village, working for Five Good Friends, it all just fell into place. As Mum started getting older, she could see for herself that she needed this bit of extra help. The vacuum cleaner was getting heavy, and the gardening, especially when my father passed away. Mum can weed, Mum can water, but the mowing of the lawn, and yeah, she's got grandsons, but everyone's got their own life and they're studying, so having that regular person, it's really helped her.
Yes, it's very good because what I need, they always give me.
We had an occupational therapist come here, and she walked right around the house and said, Carmen needs this, she needs this, she needs that, and there was a whole list of things, and they were all done. And when Mum got the recliner, they brought one in, a sample, and measured Mum up to make sure it was
That's
for her
just
height.
for me, was made.
Yeah, it was measured up for Mum, not too high, not too low. So a lot of care. They've taken care of the cleaner and the gardener and whatever, but they're the little things, the little reminders that we're in for some bad time at the moment. So just make sure Mum's got this and Mum's got
They
that.
show care. That's really their care.
Really look at how your parents are living at the moment. And I stress to them that you've got to remember there's a long waiting list. We had to wait 18 months and it worked out just right for us. But it's longer now and there's been a lot of government changes. So you have to think ahead. 2 years can go by very quickly, and in 2 years or just one fall can change your parents' life. Always be aware of what needs to be done and what you're capable of providing, but you've got a life too. Be aware that you're not going to always be there as much as you want to be there. So we know that if I'm on a holiday or my sister's on a holiday and we're both away together, we don't have to worry. We can organise through Five Good Friends for someone to take Mum to her medical or to shopping or whatever. She loves it being us, and we have a good day together, but we know we've got that backup. It just has that friendly feel about it, which really matches with the name Five Good Friends.
It's true.
Yeah, and it's trust. The trust. I can trust, I do, I trust them with my mother's care.